Hi everyone! I started to spend more and more time preparing my handmade Christmas decorations, and in today's video I will show you how I stitched one of these Pirate Santas. I have here three kits by Millhill. Millhill is a very famous manufacturer of different beads and also of small stitching kits which helps you to create Christmas, Halloween or Easter decorations. They are very easy and very fun to do. They combine stitching with threads and also a lot of beads to decorate your ornament, and I really appreciate that they have a huge variety of such kits. I already did medieval Santas, I stitched Santas from different countries, and now I purchased a set of three Caribbean Santas, and I decided to start from this one, and this is Santa from Jamaica. The size of the Santa is relatively small. It's 3.5 inches width and 4.75 height, or in stitches it's 49 by 65. And inside we have a piece of brown perforated paper, 20 colors of embroidery floss, and the threads are by French manufacturer DMC, and I really love. This is my favorite manufacturer of the embroidery threads. You have to sort all colors by themselves, but it's quite easy because here we have names of colors and also how many lengths of each color are included in the kit. Basically, we will be doing cross stitch with 3 strands, but also we have back stitch here and beads in 7 colors and 2 sizes. All beads are in 2 packages, and also we have 2 needles here, one for embroidery and one for the beading. But for now I just sort of all colors of my threads, and I will be stitching beads only on the second step after I finished all cross stitches. I prefer to start stitching from the left bottom corner. It's easier for me to count stitches in this way, and also it helps me to save a part of this perforated paper because as usual it's unavailable in my country. In our craft stores it's not easy to purchase it, so I have to order it from Amazon or other craft shops in United States, and in such way I will save a piece of this paper, and in the next video I will show how I used it for creating small lanterns, also for decorating my Christmas tree. Anyway, the work was quite quick and I prefer to do it while I'm watching some TV series or some YouTube videos or anything, maybe some sport competition, and it's quite easy. I don't have to count, I don't have to change threads a lot. We have big areas which we stitch using just one color, and I think that I needed maybe 2 or 3 evenings to do all stitches. For me, stitching this kit is double pleasure. When I was a child, I really loved books and films about pirates, about the pirate ships, about Jamaica, Tortuga, golden era of pirates, and also it's a very nice and relaxing first step in preparing my new set of handmade Christmas decorations. Stitching beads is my favorite part of creating Mill Hill kits, and I love that here we have different beads included. Some are metallic to indicate buttons on his suit, and some are matte for his boots and also for his trousers, and the rest of the beads I will be using to decorate this steering wheel. I start with the bigger beads and you have to stitch them with only half cross stitch, and after that I will be stitching smaller petite beads, and for them I have to do full cross stitch to attach them to the ornament. I finished doing all cross stitches, all back stitches, and I attached all beads. So all I left to do here is to indicate his mustache and beard. And I need to do some kind of fringe for the beard and also to attach small bow for mustache. All Mill Hill kits are quite easy, they're suitable even for beginner stitchers, and they don't require a lot of time to finish. So we have plenty of time ahead of us before Christmas time, and I plan to finish all Caribbean Santas and maybe a couple of other kits. I also need to add some kind of loop hanger and also to cover the back of the ornament. Sometimes I cover it with a beautiful cardstock, sometimes with felt, but I will do it after I finish two or three other designs, and it will be easy and it will take less time. I think that my Santa is very beautiful and very brave. I think that he deserves to be a captain of the most beautiful pirate ship. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in another DIY video.